Hello everyone. Myself Sanskar, and I'm a student of a BCPP first year. And today I've got the golden opportunity by Raju Upadhyay sir to represent a PPT in front of you all. So the topic name is of my PPT is the first generation of computer. So why it's become important to know about the first generation of computer. So this part of being to know the history of the computer, to get the idea of the thing, how the things get evolved by time. So what are the different changes that changes during the first generation of computer to fifth generation of computer. So first of all, what we are going to see in this. So first of all, in first generation of computer, we are going to see the different type of first generation computer which is ADVAC, ENIAC, ETSEC, and UNIVAC. So we will go through first of all the timeline. Which type of first generation computer get developed in which year? So the ADVAC, the type of first generation computer, is developed in 1945. The ENIAC version of first generation computer get developed in 1946, and ETSEC variant of first generation computer developed in 1949, and similarly the UNIVAC is developed in 1951. So now we will go through the more deeper version in each generation of computer. So first of all, we will go through the ADVAC. So this ADVAC, the type of first generation computer, is discovered by John Non Wieman, and it is built the University of Pennsylvania. For it's the main purpose of making this computer is used to for Army Ballistic Research Laboratory. And here are some of the specification of the ADVAC, which is the first generation computer. There are 600 vacuum tubes, 6,000 vacuum tubes were used in this first generation computer, and 12,000 diodes were used, and it's consumed the power of 56 kilowatt of power, and it almost covered the area of 490 feet square, and it almost weight around 8 ton, which is almost about 7850 kilo. Now here you can see the diagram of the first generation computer called as ADVAC. Now we will go to the next type of first generation computer, which is ENIAC computer. This computer is designed by John Mastrelli and John Presper Eckert, which name is ENIAC. This computer is discovered by John Mastrelli and John Presper Eckert in 1946. It was the first electronic computer which was developed in 1946, which is a type of first generation computer. So this computer is used for the purpose of this computer was same as ADVAC, which is also used for Army Ballistic, and it contained about approx 18,000 vacuum tube and 7,200 crystal diodes and 1,500 relays and 70,000 resistor and 10,000 capacitor were used in this computer. And it almost weight about 30 ton, and it consumed the power of 160 kilowatt. And in this computer we give input through IBM cards. Here you can see the picture of the ENIAC, which was the first generation computer. Now we are moving to the third type of first generation computer, whose name is ETSEC. ETSEC stands for Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. So from the name of itself, we got the idea about how what was the main purpose of this computer. So this was developed by Professor Maurice Wilk in 1949. The main purpose of this computer is to store program concept and to use binary digit. Input and output were given through paper tape, and it can do about 700 addition per second and 200 multiple per second. Its height measured about 5 to 4 meters from the ground level. Here you can see the diagram of this computer. So next topic is UNIVAC. This first generation computer UNIVAC was developed by John Eckert and John Mastrelli in 1951. The purpose of making this computer was for the president election which were happened in United States, and its height were about 8 feet, and it was 15 feet long and weight about 5,000 kilos, which is equal to 5 tons, and it contained about 5,600 tubes and 18,000 crystal diode and 300 relays, and it used magnetic tape. So here you can see that, and in previous type of computer we were using paper tape, and in this UNIVAC we are using magnetic tape for input and output. Here you can see the picture of this first generation computer. We will now go through the in short summary what we have discussed in this PPT. So here you can see that the whole whole four type of first generation computer in short, where we can define that ADVAC is developed by John Neon VN1 in University of Pennsylvania, and its specification is 6,000 vacuum tube and 12,000 diodes were used. Similarly, in ENIAC, it was developed by John Machley and John Presper Eckart in 1946. It was the first electronic computer. So it's a remarkable point that we have to remember that the first electronic computer was ENIAC, and in this we were using 18,000 vacuum tubes and 7,200 crystal diode, 1,500 relays, 70,000 resistor and 10,000 capacitor were used in this. And ATSEC was developed in this computer was when developed was headed by the in charge of this computer was made with the help of a student and it was headed by Maurice Wilks in 1949. This computer used binary digit. So here is one more remarkable point, which if any type of question comes in exam, which computer used first binary digit, then we can remember as ATSEC, and it used paper tape. And another type of computer is UNIVAC, which was developed by John Eckart and John Machley in 1951. It was used for presidential election, and 5,600 tubes were used with 18,000 crystal diode and 300 relays and magnetic tape were used for input and output. Now we are over about this PPT. So anyone have to ask any question about this?
What is the difference between first generation computers and the second generation
As
computers?
I have shown in this PPT, there are so many changes were happened between first generation and fifth generation. The mostly factor that the input, the hardware and software were used, that it were in first generation computer they were too heavy. They use more power, millions of diodes and tubes were used, and that was very slow. But in today's now generation of computer, the microprocessor were used, which make our work fast, and they are easy to carry. These are the major changes which were happened from first generation to fifth generation of computer.
I think he had a question, the major difference between the first generation and second generation computer. So what technology was used in first generation and what technology was used in second generation? You have to say that.
In first generation computer, we were using vacuum tubes, but in second generation computer, we were using transistors, and later on, we were going to transistor, capacitor, microprocessor according with the upcoming generation. And there were major changes in size and use of power, and the various operating systems were introduced in later on other generation of computer.
I think he has answered your question. Anybody else wanted to ask any question? Okay, we will move forward toward the next student. So thank you for giving a presentation on the first generation of computers. Okay, thank you.